फ्री आणि तुम्ही चलले ना आयची प्रेस घेवपाची मुद्दम सावथ गोवा इशू एकूच की ज्यो गोष्टी आमी ह्या दिसांनी पळयता हांव इंग्लिशीन मुद्दम उलयता लोक मागीर कोंकणी येना म्हणून द रिजन फॉर दीस प्रेस इज there is a apprehension in the minds of the people of Goa and apprehensions created by the people of Goa in the minds of the whole nation and the whole world where our Goan brothers and sisters settled, that there is a movement which is happening that coal is being brought to the state of Goa. The BJP government under the able leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. that Goa will not be a coal hub at all. This is a strong statement which I think I on behalf of my government want to state. There is no question of Goa being a coal hub. Today there are allegations against this government that it does not listen to the people of Goa, which is very much wrong. This is the only government, successive BJP governments have listened to the people of Goa and brought what is required in the interest of Goa. There was never mention of increasing of coal in Goa. Coal has been brought to Goa. I would like to mention that it is not from today. It is being brought from many years. And I would like to give you a preview statement of when the coal has been coming to Goa and from which year and what are the quantities. Before going to the quantities, I would like to state that one thing is very clear in the heads and all the BJP functionaries, whether it is the BJP organization or whether it is the BJP-led government by the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, that there will be no coal hubs in Goa. This is one clear statement I would like to tell the people of Goa. Now comes the question of MPT's Sagarmala. I do not know, I do not say no to the allegations made by some activists and some people that Sagarmala reports. Now Sagarmala is what? Sagarmala is a project envisaged by the central government where the entire ports of Goa were put into a study program. And the consultant name was there by the name of ATEC, where they have made the Sagarmala 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reports for the entire country. And if you go to see, there is a mention of Sagarmala in the reports of Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3 and Volume 4 and Volume 5, where what is emphasized for MPT. And what some people are saying that they have got documents from RTI. These documents are available on the central website of the Ministry of Shipping. Whatever the projects are available on the website. And this can be accessed by anybody. Nobody has to ask RTI. What is this? This is like where a consultant was appointed. And that consultant has said that in Goa, these programs can be done to get the maximum use of the port. This is what the consultant has done, and what they are alleging, that yes, it is shown that 54 million tons will be brought over a period of time, 138 million tons will be brought over a period of time, which is there in part of the Sagarmala 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 report. Now this is a report for the entire country. Now whether this will be done here, I have got a letter from MPT where they have said that they have in the project report of theirs, where they very clearly mentioned that they are dropping 4 of these projects. Number 1, deepening of the approach channel and turning circle to facilitate berthing of capsized vessels. This is the first project they are dropping. The second project is development of 2 numbers berths with connecting flyover for Indian Navy and Coast Guard at Vasco Bay. Third project is outer harbour and iron ore and coal terminal, which is being dropped. Multipurpose terminal at Betul, which is also dropped. this is a letter written from MPD which I have got with me, which is sent to the Secretary Shipping, Ministry of Shipping, Transport Bhavan, Parliament House. Now this is how it functions. This is how things go ahead. Just things what somebody says is not the fact. This letter is there with me, and now this letter is being followed up by the government and it is coming to the logical end. The question of coal being brought to Goa, I am coming again to that point, is very simple. There are allegations, various allegations levied against the government, but nobody has said when this particular coal has come to Goa. Now this particular coal has come to Goa in from 1947, which I will just share with you details on per month what were the quantities which were coming and from where. In the meantime, I would like to say, by the time I get it, I would like to say that this government is committed in not making Goa a coal hub, which is very clear and it should be very clear in the minds of the people. But this government, in the past, Honorable late Shri Manohar Parrikar, Honorable Shri Parsegar, and now present Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, along with the able guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi, has seen that development is a phase of Goa and the nation. Now when you say development is the face of the nation and the state of Goa, you can see various development projects coming in the state, and you all will be saying that whatever developments are happening and major development in the state, whether it is whatever sports infrastructure, whether it is broadening of the national highways or widening of the national highways, or for that matter any infrastructure projects which are required for the state have been brought by the BJP government when they are power in Goa, and which nobody can say no. Now keeping this in mind, Goa is Goa, and Goa is part of the nation, a nation being India, and development is in par with the other states. Now, I would like to state that what the development is going on in the state of Goa will continue. The reason being whether whatever development it is for the betterment of the people of Goa. If this development is not taken into emphasize, then we will face a lot of problems. People's sentiments are there. I remember when I was told a few days back, or maybe 20 days back, that the EI reports are not put. We have seen that the EI reports or whatever, because some projects don't require EI. Whatever study has been done of how many trees, how many things of all the 3 projects are put on the Department of Environment website long back. Long back means after people go, because we cannot take it just offhand. We have taken official documents and we have put it on the website. It is available for the people of Goa to see on the environment website. What? Because allegations is made. Some people say there are 40,000 trees. Some people say lakhs of trees. What type of trees and what is all put on the website of the Environment Department of Government of Goa. Now, coal has been coming to the state of Goa. Now, there are 2 parts of the project. If we see that coal comes at berth number 5 and berth number 6 of MPT, which is coming, which has been coming from 2014 in one part of it, and much before that in 2004 from one part of the project. One part of the project is operated by Adani, and Adani has been operating from 2014. Their quantities are 5,20,000 for their particular coal load, for their particular code at berth number 5. And Adani is bringing this coal not for their factory or not for themselves. It is bringing as a trader who brings and supplies to various proponents who require coal, whether it is in the state of government, in the state of Goa, or whether it is for outside the state of Goa. But the notion that the coal being brought by Adani is being imported from various countries across the world and is being supplied to the local domestic market and not given to any coal plant or any steel plant of Adani. This is what I want to make bring the facts to you. That the other berth which has been allotted to JSW, yes, they are bringing this coal for their factory which is located in Bellary in Hospet. They require 12 million tons of coal for their furnace, which is used for converting iron ore into steel. Without putting coal inside that furnace, you cannot make steel. So it is part of making steel process. And what are the implications given in at the time of this is total handling of coal/coke is 5.5 metric million tons per annum. This is a permission given to them. Limestone is 1 metric million tons per annum, and they are also allowed to export steel coils of 2 metric million tons per annum from that particular port which is given to them and which they are doing. Now, this is what is about coal. We as a government are very firm, and we are with the people of Goa. Nobody has to tell us that coal is not required. But what coal, which we all know is already coming to Goa to almost 10 to 12 metric tons per annum, which at this moment cannot be stopped. As I will tell you, the reasons are their MPTs, almost 22,000 pensioners are getting their pension on the MPT functioning. Plus, there are 1,750 people who are already working in MPT as of today. Other than this, these two are directly connected to the MPT. Other than this, there are more people who are working for the particular projects like JSW. They have more than 600 plus employees working on their port which is allotted to them, that Perth. Adani has more than 400 more people working there, plus more allied activities which are already going on. And with these systems in place, you just cannot close. Yes, the state government is in the process, as I have rightly pointed out to you. There is a letter made by MPT. We are following up, and we, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, will come with a proper statement that whatever activity of development is happening in the state of Goa is not for coal, and we will find ways and means properly to lock the particular coal which is coming to Goa to a particular junction and not to exceed it. We will do that, and if it is required, we will do it in the next 10-15 days to prove to the people of Goa where whatever coal is coming right now, we will say that this is the only coal which will be allowed in MPT, and any other activity related to coal is there. A positive statement Honorable CM will do with due diligence, not making statements in the air, because statements making in the air is not our baby. We don't make statements in the air. We will come with facts and figures and show that whatever we as a government have done, if the apprehension of the people is this development is happening because of coal, it will come to a standstill when we bring documents. As I showed you, I have documents of MPT writing to their shipping. It is our government will follow up and will see that not more than the existing capacity what has been granted to them will come to MPT in the part of commitment from the government of Goa. Secondly, there is an allegation made that in Molen, the trees which are cut are for some coal plant. I am making a statement today on behalf of the government and behalf of me as Environment Minister that there are no coal handling activities anywhere in Goa which will be part of any of these three projects, whether it is Mole or whether it is any other place, because what is happening in Sagarmala, there are two ports connected. One is Sagarmala port of MPT and one of Sagarmala port, whatever is there, is part of Panjim port. Panjim port is a state port, which also has been emphasized where some of the existing old age jetties which were used by then people who moved from Savarde, Kuchore, right up to Panjim, from Aldona and all other places from that side to Panjim. This is what is getting revived in Sagarmala in the Goa port section. There is no activity of unloading of coal. It is purely for people's transportation. And I have got every facts and figures which are there with me. which I can sit anywhere and show it to them with proof. I am again saying that the allegations made by some activists which they have got is not under RTI, whatever form they have got. I am not saying no. It is a book which normally is made. If I want to do some activity, I appoint a consultant, and the consultant allows me to allow whatever measure I can do in this particular activity. Whether to do or not to do is I have to decide. So this is the story of Sagarmala 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is why I have said that Honorable CM is concerned, and he will get an official letter from the ministry or wherever to give you in the next few days, and he will come with a statement, and so will all of us to come together and say that coal is not coming to Goa. Coal is not coming to Goa in the sense is there will be no hubs of coal in the state of Goa. It's a very strong and clear message this government wants to provide. आता सांगपाक म्हणल्यार ज्यो गोष्टी आमी परतून रिपीट करता की गोंयांत कोळसो हो प्रकार जो एमपीटीन येता तो वाडपाचो ना आनी खंय तरी आमच्या लोकांच्या मनान आसा की खंय तरी हब जावपाचें आहा. खंय तरी म्हाजेर काल आमी उलयता तेन्ना कोण तरी म्हणटाले की निलेश गाबराल आसोळडा हो कोल हब जो जातालो तो आतां काडला आनी कुंकळ्ळेन घातला. गोंयांत खंय कोल हब करपाक आमी गोंयांत दिवचे ना ही क्लियर मेसेज लोकांच्या तनान मनान घालचे अशी आमी विनंती करता लोकांक. कित्याक आमकां खबर आहा गोंय आनी गोंयकारां आमी कशें राखपाक जाय ह्यो गोश्टी करपाक जाय. पूण डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट जे गोंयांत जावपाक जाय हे लोकां खातीर जावपाक जाय आनी हे कोण इंडिव्हिज्युअली तेजेर लोक चर्चा करता हे गोंयकारांक कितें बेनिफीट जातले, हे गोंयांक कितें फायदो जातलो. आतां इंडिव्हिज्युअली हो म्हाका जर फायदो जाता क्लेबांक फायदो जातो ना, हो आमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक फायदो जातो ना, हो आमच्या जेडपी फायदो जातो ना. तेजेर चर्चा करनासतना देश आमचो फुडें वयता. देश डेव्हलप जावपाक, देश आमचो डेव्हलप जावपाक जाय, नॉट डेव्हलपिंग नेशन. It has to be one day or someday a developed state. It has to be. There are no two thoughts. And when having this, then we as Goa is connected to the development of the nation and to the development of the state. And whatever is required for the development of the nation and development of the state, we will go into it. And nobody can stop us from doing this. And this is being done because levels are very high compared to the entire part of the country. Our young Goan brothers and sisters who get educated do not have suitable employment in Goa, and they have to go outside Goa to go for employment. Who has to make that potential for them? It is this state government who has to make potential for them in all ways. Whether it is widening of roads for continuous activities for whatever. I have got the white paper. If you go to the white paper, it is very clear that I have shown projections of increase in consumers. I am not a fool. कोणाक सांगपाची गरज ना. खंयची तरी पार्टी सांगतलो की काबरालान कितें दिला तें सारकें न्ही. अरे खंयची फॅक्टरी जेन्ना घरा कोण घालता तेका पावर कितें एक घराचो लागता कितले अक्कल ह्या मनशाक ना. एक फॅक्टरी घालता तेका पावर चड लागतलोच, घरा लागचो ना. म्हजो वायट रिपोर्ट पावराचेर उलोवंक नाशिल्लो. म्हजें कन्जम्पशन जें इन्क्रीज जाता तेजेर आसलो आनी कोण कंज्युमर इन्क्रीज जाता तेजेर आशिल्लो. आनी कोणें म्हाका सांगपाची गरज ना की तूं सांगता की इंडस्ट्री येवची ना. आमचे 1% इंडस्ट्री येना. इंडस्ट्री खंयची येयली जाल्यार ताका पावर लागताच आनी ताका आमी प्रोविजन करूंक पडटले. आमचे खंयचे भुरगे जे गोंयचे भाव आनी भयणी जे शिकता तांकां खंय कामां वचपाचें. So this is all part of development, and we are firm in the development, and there is no two ways about the development of Goa. I think with this clear mind, I have made a very clear statement, and a statement clear Kalasa on behalf of the government of Goa and on behalf of the Chief Minister of the state, where we are working, and you will see the progress. Officially, Honorable Chief Minister will also give statement in the next 7 to 10 days with official letters where we will show that there will be no increase in coal in the state of Goa, whether it is form of transportation or whether it is a form of track. But what is existing, maybe 10-12 million tons which is happening annually, might continue for some time. This is a very clear indication. But don't mix up the government of the nation or the state into some things which is never forecasted. I would like to Cleophas to also say a few words.
प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स बीजेपीचो साऊथ गोवा प्रेसिडेंट तुळशीदास नायक मदरीश आनी आदलो लेफ्टनंट मेंबर उल्हास देसाय जेन्ना एक इश्यू आयलो डबल ट्रॅकिंग आनी मोस्टली पोस्ट तुमचे आसतलें संडे द 1st of November एक असलो लोकांक मज्जा येयली डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका आनी हेच नाका म्हणपाक खाली एक कारण म्हळ्यार खाली जे कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन ताका लागून मेन इश्यू सो लोकांक पयलीं जेन्ना 10 वर्सां पयलीं जेन्ना 10-11 हो टेंडर जालो डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचो आनी बिफोर 17 इलेक्शन जातले पयलीं काम स्टार्ट जालें डबल ट्रॅकिंग सो लोकांक कोणें अपोज करूंक ना चांदर घेवचो पडलो तेन्ना कोणें अपोज करूंक ना आनी लोक हॅप्पी जाले डबल ट्रॅकिंग लोकांक आमी बेगीन पावता म्हणून सो आतां लोक बेजार जावन हालीं कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट करता कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक डबल सो काल पयर हें जालें थिंगा हांव गेलो हांव वचोन थिंगा आयलो हांव कोण येयलो बरोबर हांव आयलो आनी जेन्ना आमी रोखडी सीएमा पयर सांगून आमी आख्खे सावथ गोवा ती मिटींग सगळी काडल्या एमएलए काडल्या सीएमा पयर बसून मिटींग घेतली आनी आमचो एमएलए मिटींग वेस्ट करपाक पडलो आनी आमी सीएमाचो प्रश्न केले आनी सीएमान आमी फूल एश्युरन्स दिलें खूब आज तितलो पयलीं जो 47 येतालो तितलो येतो मार एक एक्स्ट्रा येवपा ना 20% एमपी सो आनी ही म्हायती आमकां दिवपाक आमगे कातोल बाब ताणें सांगलां तो सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेचोय मेंबर जावन आसा ते आनी एमएलए मिनिस्टर म्हणजे ही सगळी सीएमान काल ते सगळे पेपर हें करून आनी आज प्रेस घेवता एक्चुली काल घेवपा आशिल्लें पूण जेन्ना आमी सावथाक घेवपाक गेले घेतली आनी तें सगळें एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलां सो म्हाका दिसता कोल थिंग ट्रान्सपोर्टींग जावपा ना जाल्यार आमकां कितें व्हडलें प्रॉब्लेम कांय ना आनी लोकांक फियर कितें जे हब कोल हब पयलीं म्हणपा लागलो थिंगा तेगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जाता म्हणून शर्वण सायडी आसा मुखार चांदर सो मागीर ते म्हणपा लागलो थिंग कॅन बंद करून आमी चांदर घातले म्हणून सो हे मुगे लोक सांगले आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चांदर सो लोकांक एक गोंया आयल्या आनी लोक सगळे मुखार सगळे ट्रॅक नाका पूण सो जे आरटीआयचेर मारले म्हणटाय तेणी म्हणजे इतली टन येतले आतां 10 येता तो 136 टन येतलो सो पयल्या एक प्रेजेंटेशन चोयलें आमी ग्रूप पार्टी गोंयचो एक तेणी मिटींग करपाची ते भशेन दाखयलें सो काल आमी एक्सप्लेनेशन सीएमाक एश्युरन्स दिवपाचें आनी पुलीस करपाक लागलो ते म्हणटा तशें कांय ना म्हणून ते बरें म्हणून सो आतां तेणें आज सगळें एक्सप्लेन केलां सो आनीक म्हायती आमी आतां आनीकूय एक मिटींग आसा सीएमा हेजे वयतलो आनी हेजे म्हणटात पूण एज ए एमएलए पळय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमी गोंयकार फस्ट ऑफ ऑल सो आमी जो आनी एक्स्ट्रा कोल आमी हाडून दिवपा ना आनी आमी मुखार जे एसएम आसा तेजेर पासून आमी डिसिजन घेतले की हें करपाक सीएमान आमी पयर प्रेसिडेंट दिता आनी आमी सीएमा कडेन विचारलां आनी कापाल बाबान सांगिल्ले भशेन म्हाका दिसना तर तरी आसतना आमी कोल हाडटा जाल्यार म्हगेलो खूबच आसतलो सो कोल तेजेर ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक जाय आनी एक्स्ट्रा इतलें सो डबल ट्रॅकिंगा आमगे चांदोरकार करतलें व्हडलें कोणाक पयलीं ते हॅप्पी जाले सो बिकॉज ऑफ कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन जालें ते हें आमगे आनी कोल तर ना म्हणून जाल्यार हांव हॅप्पी म्हाका दिसता हांव म्हणटा म्हगे कोल हॅप्पी करपाक
क्लॅरिफाय जो हांव तुमकां स्टेटमेंट सांगतलो जो 1947 मुवमेंट ऑफ कोल एक्टिविटीन येयला 1947 1.13 lakh tons कोल येयलो 1.13 lakh tons हो येवन 1948-49 1.72 जालो 49-50 2.17 जालो आनी अशेंच कोल मागीर केन्ना कमी जालो चड जालो पूण एक गोश्टी बरी आहा आमचे ऑपोजिशन काल वचून ते शो करता 99-2000 12,18,747 मेट्रीक टन्स कोल येयलो एमपीटीन तेन्ना खंयचे सरकार हांगा खंय जर तुमी मागले एका रिकॉर्ड म्हजे कडेन कसो हांवें काडला तसो सगळ्यांक मेळूंक शकता आमचो कोल जो गोंयांत येता हो आतां हाडना पूण बीजेपी सरकार हाडूना हो खंयच्या सरकार हाडना लोकांनी विचारचो आनी BJP सरकार केन्ना आशिल्लें आनी सरकार कोल हाडपाचें परमिशन कोणें दिलें हें तांकां लोकांनी विचारचें. दुसरी गोश्ट आसा, सरकारान हाडलें आनी दिलें, पूण हो सरकार ठामपणाचे विचारान आसा की जे ते चालू आसा, जावं ते 12.5 मेट्रीक टन्स वा 13 मेट्रीक टन्स, खंय तरी हो बाबा कितें तरी क्लोज, हेज्या ओवर कोल एफिडेविट येवचो ना, हेजेर नेक्स्ट 10 ते 15 दिसां भितर आमचे ऑनरेबल CM वीथ डॉक्युमेंटरी प्रूफ तुमकां येतलो, हें हांव तुमकां सांगूंक सोदतां. आनी जो गोश्ट जी हांव तुमकां सांगता ही सावथ वेस्ट पोर्ट जो आमी म्हणटा, जो JSW 2004-2005 हांगा चालू जाल्लो आनी तेन्नाच्यान चालू जावन 2,14,000 मेट्रीक टन्स त्यांनी हाडले. आनी आज पासून म्हाका दिसता जे कंटिन्यूस ते आतां आज गेल्या वर्साचो 5,78,000 मेट्रीक टन्स त्यांनी केल्ले आसा. तेचेच अडानी 2014-15 8,60,000 केल्लो आसा आनी तो आतां पासून जे आसा हे चालू आसा. म्हणजे म्हजें सांगपाचें कितें आसा की प्रमोद सरकार जो प्रमोद बाब सावंत जो सरकार आसा हेणे कसलेंच परमिशन दिवं ना. हे लोकां मदें दाखोवपाक सोदता की BJP सरकार परमिशन दिता. सो म्हाका
सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेचे ट्रॅक डेव्हलप करपाचे आनी पोलाचे दोनी कनेक्शन लायला, तेजेर तुजें कितें म्हणणें?
तेच म्हणटा न्ही, हांवें क्लियर सांगलां न्हू की डेव्हलपमेंट आमी वी आर अ डेव्हलपिंग नेशन एंड वी हॅव टू बी अ डेव्हलप नेशन केन्ना तरी जावपाक जाय. नाल्यार डेव्हलपिंग हे काँग्रेसीच्या राज्यांत डेव्हलपिंग उरलेलें आसा. आमी जे ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जो आसा इज कमिटेड आनी वी वॉन्ट टू गो इनटू अ डेव्हलप नेशन. एंड वेन वी से अ डेव्हलप नेशन, in the all developed nations, there are two tracks of trains which go, one incoming, one outgoing, and this is what is required a development nation. And तेका लागून हे डबल लेनिंग आख्खे देशभर चालू आसा. हेका थोड्या लोकांनी कोल तेकयला. सो कोलाचो प्रश्न आज म्हाका दिसता हांवें क्लियर सांगला. येता ती 10 ते 15 हांवें लेटरूय हाडून तुमकां दाखयला APTचे वेर दे हॅव रिटर्न टू द सेंटर. आनी आमी फुडें सेंटरा कडल्यान जाय जाल्यारूच ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आमचो क्लियर करून हाडटलो की गोंयांत जे क्वॉन्टिटीचो कोल येता तो बाबा हेज्या वयर केन्ना एमपीटीन येवचो ना, हेंय आमी करून दाखयतले.
So Nilesh, you are going to continue with these three projects.
See, these are, आमी पयलीं सांगला, these are national projects.
So you are going to continue.
See, whether I am going to continue, who has stopped it? Have you stopped it? You are asking me whether I am going to continue.
Yeah.
See, that's why I am answering in the proper way. It is not a question of stopping. It is a question of being a developed nation. And to be a developed nation, it is entire India is being developed on the principles of lines where the question of putting infrastructure for the state and the country is part of the developing of the nation. Now, which are these three projects? What are these three projects is the question. One is bringing, as I already said, that one lane which is coming, the second lane for free movement of up and going trains is required, so it has to continue. The second project is, as I have explained, की गोंयान पावराचो डिमांड 5% वाडटा, कंज्युमरूय वाडटा आनी पावरूय वाडटा. सो आतां आज हांव रिपीट करता, कोण म्हज्या फेसबुकार वयल्यान घालता म्हजो 2 वर्साचो पयलो स्टेटमेंट की पावर गोंयान खूब आसा. हय, हांव आजूय सांगता, पावर गोंयान कितल्या वर्सां 5% जर वाडटा, 650 मेगावॉट्स पावर आमकां सिंगल डे कंजम्पशन जाल्लें आसा. तेका जर 5% एड केले आनी एवरी इयर 5% एड केले जाल्यार 3-4 वर्सांनी जो पावर जो गोंयान आसा तो पावचो ना. एंड दॅट इज वाय वी हॅव टू बी अ फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग गव्हर्नमेंट आनी वी हॅव टू ब्रिंग इन द पावर. एंड सेकंडली, हांवें सांगलें क्लियर स्टेटमेंट करता की 400 KVA लायन जी आसा, इट इज ओनली 2 लायनी आतां महाराष्ट्राच्या. These 2 lines will give the grid connectivity and equally for the south of Goa जे गोष्टी आसा. तिसरी गोष्ट जी आसा, जो रस्तो जो 2 लेन आसा तो 4 लेन करता. लोक जे अनमोट घाटा वयल्यान वयता तेणे पयल्ले आसा की कशें डेंजरस आसा. सो दिस इज फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. आनी तो आज केलो म्हूण जावचो ना. दे हॅव टेकन लॉट ऑफ प्रिकॉशन. तेका आनी 13-14-15 वर्सां लागतली करपाक. हो जो पावर जो कामाराचो प्रोजेक्ट जर आज चालू केलो तर तेका 3-4 वर्सां लागतली कंप्लीट जावपाक. सो ह्यो गोष्टी आनी आतां इवन डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे जे आसा, जे वयले टनल जे आसा ते 3 सेक्शन आसा. गोंयचे बॉर्डर टू पुणे टू मडगांव टू वास्को. जे अनमोड सेक्शनाचो पाग आसा ताका मिनिमम 3-4 वर्सां वयतली फक्त ताका बोगदे जे आसा ते वाडोवपाचे. सो ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी जर डेव्हलपमेंट नेशन आमी म्हणटा, so this is part of the developing nation, and we as BJP government has always wanting develop state and good infrastructure of the state. We stand by this project.
Sir, why I think that will take 2-3 years to go for the tunnels and all. But why the railways are so acting in haste to connect these railway crossings and Chandor in the side?
See,
If the train is not running for the next 2 years or 3 years, why they want the people to come?
see, तुका जर क्लॅफासान सारकी क्लियर सांगला, तो प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा पळय, तुम्ही पत्रकार भाव पळय, 2.5 वर्सां जाली जाल्यार आनी कामूय चालू आसा. आतां हेजे फायदो कितें तो सांगता तुका. फायदो 2 गोष्टी. जो आमचो म्हजो कलीग जो आसा क्लॅफासबाग, थंय खुबशे पॉलिटिशियन गेले. चांदोर ह्या वाठारांत हांवूय डेली वचपी येवपी. थंय अंडरपास करता, ओव्हरब्रिज बांदता, सांगून थकले. आज क्लॅफासबाबान आमी बसून रेल्वे कडेन यूज करून हो फायदो गोल्डन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आमी थंय अंडरपासूय घालता आनी ओव्हरब्रिजूय बांदता. तशें म्हज्या मतदारसंघात अशे 3 कडेन आसा जे कामराडे वाठारांत थंय एक सायडीन न्हंय लागता, एक सायडीन ट्रॅक लागता, ऑलमोस्ट फॉर हायट ऑफ 6 मिटर्स. थंय अंडरपास आमी चालू आसा ताका करपाचो. तशेंच जे वाठारांत रेल्वे गेट परतून पडटाली, लोकांचो डिमांड आसा कितले पॉलिटिशियनांनी सांगले येवन करता म्हणून. विथ दीस प्रोजेक्ट वी हॅव सीन दॅट ताका अंडरपास रोड अंडरपास आमी केला. तिसरो जो ओव्हरब्रिज करपाक जाय, जो आमचो शेलोना NC-16 तोय ओव्हरब्रिज चालू केला. सो हांव कितें सांगूंक सोदता, जे कॉन्सेप्ट लोकांक जे पयर लोक एकठांय जाले तांकां खंय तरी सांगलें की कोल गोंयांत हाडटा, पूण कोल ते लोक येयले. जेन्ना हांव सांगता आतां आनी आमचो सरकार सांगता की कोल गोंयांत आमी हाडचो ना एक्स्ट्रा, जो इन द डेव्हलपिंग नेशन नॉट ओनली हॉस्पेट टू वास्को, देर आर मेनी अदर. आय विल, इफ यू वॉन्ट, आय विल गेट दोज लिस्ट नेक्स्ट टायम. आय विल शो यू हुंय डबल ट्रॅकिंग चालू आसा तेका इंडिया भितर काम. This is part of a developing nation. So whether it is advantages or disadvantages, whether it is loss or profit, is not the look of the government. Government is not here to do business, and this particular project is being done by the central government. So this is for emphasizing to see the nation progressing. Now you cannot say, आपको example समजा, if you go from Vasco to Belgaum, use the train, तेका ती ट्रेनिंग almost 4-4.5 वरां लागता. 4-4.5 वरां कित्याक लागता? कित्याक एवरी स्टॉपाचेर ते सायडीन रावपाक पडटा, दुसरी ट्रेन येवपा पासून. आनी अशें करून ती डिस्टन्स नॉर्मली इफ यू गो बाय बायक और कार, इट कवर्स बाय 2 hours, and train should also be covered by 2 hours. So when this double tracking happens, it will cover in 2 hours. So it is got amenities. I am not saying what you are saying, there will be no goods movement, there will be no other movement, but I can assure you that MPT will not bring. It will limit in the next few days with proof, because now I have shown you the letter. So we want a letter from, we are trying and we will do under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant. We will bring letter and show that MPT will restrict their coal movement in MPT only to so much. Then what is the problem of bringing?
Another thing is, I think Goa Pollution Control Board, before I think you took over, had issued a notice to MPT. They had mandated them to come out with rakes, instead of transporting the coal in open wagons, to in closed containers. I think that should have been this viable solution to the pollution aspect. See, if it is possible for the companies.
See, I will tell you, there are 2 ways to do it. One way, see, we are saying we are restricting the movement of coal in the port, which will come in the next few days with a proper letter. That is one. Secondly, if there is apprehension in the project, we can always tell Southwestern Railway what is there. We can always tell them that wherever that stretch where the people are apprehensive about movement of coal, if you go to Europe or any other countries, you will find there is a barricading on the railway track, both the sides. There is already. We can always tell them that this is the people's apprehension that coal is falling out, this is falling out, to barricade the railway tracks so it remains within the tracks and does not go out. That is one. Secondly, see, if you remember, has already written that they are interested in putting a dome. And why is the dome not allowed? CRZ 2011 plan is not finalized. So that is why the dome is not put. Moment 2011 plan is finalized, it will, because NGT has stopped any new developed projects till the 2011 CRZ plan is finalized. So it is coming in CRZ area. Moment CRZ 2011 plan is finalized, they will put an entire dome, which is costing some crores of rupees. So that they happen inside. About the rakes, see, today we are still in a developing issue. They are covering the rakes. If there are ways or means, as I told you, in a particular section, if there is apprehension that the coal is falling out, we will cover it with the dome for the entire line. If that is required also, we will tell South Western Railway to do. Entire dome, like put an entire tunnel, like if you go to the guard section, you go through a tunnel, no? A safe tunnel may be used for constructing in a particular section of track. Maybe 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers is required. And keep openings in between. That also we will allow. But apprehension, whatever apprehensions are there about the people, we are ready as a government to address them.
Village, the issue here is not so much, not only the coal, it is the pollution caused by coal. Because passport have already iterated many times about the pollution, dust pollution.
See,
That is the major concern.
See, that is,
Now I got the government.
that is one. See, in the past, monitoring was not happening the way it used to be monitored. Today, if you go, we have put in the pollution control board, who is the nodal agency to monitor the pollution levels entire state. They have put various machines in all over Goa. If you want, we will take another press and tell you the pollution levels. Now, there are two types of pollution which gets affected to the people. One is 2.5 microns and one is 10 microns, which goes inside and gets affected. I will share reports. And today, all precautions are taken when unloading is happening right now in the ports for this whatever activity is going on, where they are monitoring the wind direction, so that whenever the winds are towards it, they stop the unloading. All this is monitored. It is not monitored. And how to bring solution to that is very. I just told him that 2011 CRZ plan is going to be finalized. In that, the entire operation will be inside a dome. This is what is projected.
What about the recovery of the government of Goa sent fines, this challans for the recovery of fines for pollution? With case of
What is there to show me? I will tell you. Because fines, I don't know what fines are.
Since CM will come out with the
No, not CM, government will come along with the Honorable CM, a properly statement in it.
it might take another fortnight.
Huh?
It might take another fortnight, as you said.
No. See, coal, we stand by our statement. We will not allow any coal more than what is coming. This we stand. For that, we don't require any statement. But to confirm this, because see, today politicians are, I've seen, these people, they are targeting me, which I have no involvement at all. They call me whatever language they want to call. Let them call. I am very firm, I am very erect, and I will stay by my statement. I will be with them if anything increasing. So we don't want. But for giving proof that there will be no increase is what we are going to give you.
That will come in another.
No, see, that is, this is the government, state government's already firm statement that there will be no increase in coal. But it is another thing because people don't believe, they say they are politicians, which are na. So we will bring documentary proof to show them.
So till such
No, we will bring documentary proof. No, there is no such time. We will bring and we are firm. If there is increase, we will not allow to increase. Very
till such time it comes. Till such time it comes.
Huh?
Till such time it comes. Why don't you hold this?
When the government is firm that we are not going to allow, there is no question of sisters.
No, it is a question of just 10 days.
No, you don't understand.
The work is continuing.
See,
You are letting the people only.
I will explain to you. There are two parts of this project. I am telling you again. This project is going on in 2.5 years back. So the question, listen to me. You ask me the question, you are going to answer it, I want to answer. This project is going on 14 kilometer stretch for last 2.5 years.
Everyone knows.
No, everyone does not know. I am telling you, listen to me. Everybody does not know. If everybody does not knew, then they would not have made that issue. They have made the issue because coal is coming. That is what has been highlighted. When the government is firm that there is no coal coming, the question does not arise. So what we are doing is, what is happening is whatever ways and means what we are trying to do is to give, as I told you, I got a letter from MPT that this is not going to happen. That I will show you the full plan. There is a plan of MPT in UP where there are directions of the entire what is there for the port. And this entire plan, what is to be done and what is not to be done, is what we are doing together as whole. So nobody has to tell us. We are firm. We are with the people of Goa. We are आम्ही सारखे गोंयकारा वांगडा आसा आणि कोलसो जो आसा जो येता तो चालू उरतलो तो वाडोवपाक कसोच आमी दिवचो ना हेजेर आमी लक्ष घालून काम करता हे आमकां लोकांनी सांगपाचें हे ऑपोजिशन कोणी सबमिट करत ना आम्ही गोंयकार आणि गोंयकारा वांगडा सेंटिमेंट आसलो पळय that time people मना लागले. So when the government is firm that there will be no more coal coming to Goa, is very firm on that. The question doesn't arise. It's a development activity.
Why people should come on the roads?
See, people are coming in the road. See, if you go with the Kuba Gala, it's a cross section of people. There are politicians, there are NGOs, there are people like you. It's everybody. So when we have made a firm statement today, I think as press, you are the fourth state, you should bring headlines over. I want to see all the newspapers bring headlines. The government is committed to not to bring more coal to Goa. This is what the headlines will come to. Then you see how much
It was come in the box also Sunday. Are you going to stop it or are you going to just Sunday you work?
तू समजून आपण सगळ्याच सांगता तू पण सांगता पळय तुम्ही पण सांगता पळय तुम्ही नाकारलेले विषय हाडटा बाबा हांव कितें सांगता अडेच वर्सां जाली ते काम चालू आसा त्या सेक्शनान हांव सांगता तूं सांगता हांव सांगता तूं कशें एंटिसिपेट करता तूं कर अडेच वर्सां ते सेक्शनान काम चालू आहा कोणाक प्रॉब्लम नाशिल्ले सो आतां कोळसो जेन्ना विशय जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट ठामपणान सांगता की गोंयांत आमी कोळसो एमपीडीएन आनी वाडपाक दिवचो ना जो येता तो चालू उरतलो तेन्ना प्रश्न कसो उरलो ते मागीर पळया
Government wants to show down. Government wants to show down. Government wants to show down. Government is ready for a showdown on Sunday night.
Showdown for what?
No, people will be coming.
You don't understand.
People will be coming. Your train is coming tomorrow.
Why?
Your train will come another 2 years. Why are you getting up with the people on the streets that night?
Who is bringing people on the street?
See, you come out with the statement.
I explained
come out with the statement.
I explained to you that 2.5 years work is going
Exactly,
on.
yeah.
So nobody has come on the road. So why they have come on the road?
So you
Because
want-
coal is the
so
issue.
you want them to come
So
again?
coal is the issue, no?
You want them to
No,
come
I'm
again on
asking.
Sunday night?
Coal is the issue, no?
And with the solar power policy in place in Goa, why people are not still taking up the?
I don't know. See, now I told you that's a good question. Goyan इतले solar power policy 85 लोकांना subsidy दिली. We have touched around 18 megawatts of power and solar grid. आता आम्ही shortlist केला डेमान 180 megawatts targeted. कितले जातले ते feasibility study करतले. But we will be able to do I think around 70 to 100 megawatts on solar. And we are focused on that. We are also having small wind over Takai power. So we are finding all means of ways of generating power. Solar power जो आसा ती सबसिडी कॉम्पोनंट जे आम्ही प्रॉमिस केला लोकांक दिल्लो आसा आणि जेका लोक फुडें येना पण आम्ही आता जे एक्झिस्टिंग लोकांक आणि 30% वाडोवपाचें केला सो ते कित्याक तेणें ऑलरेडी पळयलां दे हॅव सीन दॅट वॉट दे हॅव रिप्ड बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द सोलर सो वी आर गोइंग टू अलाव देम मोर 30% दिस पॉलिसी विल कम
How much subsidy will come? Now, is the government making it compulsory for all the real estate developers while constructing a project that they should make a provision for the solar?
See, I will explain to you, sir. Till it comes within somebody. See, I have seen projects where real estate people have put in STPs, which are not functioning, and people's overflowing sockets are there. So those questions are not there. It has to come within, and it should come within the people to put it by themselves. So when it comes within, not everything is volunteer. We are targeting Goa for 150 megawatts of power. I'm not sure when we are targeted, but we are working in that target, and I can give facts and figures in the next 4 months. What is this 150 megawatts of power? Where we are targeting? What way we are doing? We are also tying up. One more thing I want to tell you that we have got 6,500 agricultural pumps which are old. We are coming out shortly with a scheme where we are tying up with the central government firm, where these pumps will be replaced free of cost to the agriculturalists, and we will take 3 times the land from them to put solar, so that they get free pumping also when required. So we are coming on this scheme. We are working in that direction. In the next 4 months, we will see the entire white paper. I'll say white paper again. Because white papers they have to sit across and decide. Because people who don't know knowledge about. So I have come with the entire 150 megawatts of power for Goa on the renewable sector. What is required?
Most of the government departments, buildings are not yet.
All we are. I'm inaugurating Madgaon multipurpose shortly. I am calling you all. Please come, and I will show you what is already put. Already university I am going to inaugurate. So it is not going to happen 100 together. No, I have started it, and I am sure that I will target all government buildings. All government buildings have solar energy, and we are inaugurating Madgaon maybe next week, and university in the following week, which I will call.
How much subsidy right now you are giving?
We are giving 50% subsidy. It comes in 6 months. If you spend rupees, you will get 50 rupees back as a household, LT.
Okay. So more 30% you are going to.
No, subsidy नाही. See, you don't understand. That's what now you understand. See, आम्ही गोंयकारांनी ऑलरेडी लोकांनी म्हटल्या सो तेका सबसिडी आम्ही 50% दिले.
Okay.
पूण तेका रिस्ट्रिक्शन घातलेले सोलर रुफाचेर. रूफ त्यांचो व्हडलो आसा. पूण त्यांचो लोड जो आसा, जो बिलाचे लोड आसा, तितले पासून रिस्ट्रिक्शन केले. तो आता लोड आम्ही वाढवून 30% पोल मागीचो दितलो लोडाचेर. सो तेका मागीर तो घालतना 50% घातली.
Okay.
कळ्ळें तुका क्लियर कळ्ळें? थँक्यू. जय गुरु.
आता